Welcome back. We've got a special guest in studio this morning, Pittsburgh High School's culinary instructor, Chef Anthony Ficher. Thank you for joining us.
I'm happy to join you, Tanya. How are you this morning?
I'm excited because we are going to be cooking one of my favorite things, Italian pasta.
Oh, I love this stuff. You're going to love this dish.
All right, so what are we going to be making?
I call this my lover's pasta. Excuse me. Got me a little emotional this morning.
That's all right.
This is my favorite dish. I save this one in my personal repertoire for somebody special, or if you just want to celebrate an anniversary. It comes together really quick. It's very simple to make, and it takes no time at all. Everything here can be found at your local grocery store.
Okay.
So we're going to start with a hot pan and some butter inside. Some olive oil to get it going. And while this is all going and getting a little melty down, we're going to add some minced red onion, some garlic, and some jalapenos.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, give it a little spice.
Oh, yes. Got to love the spice in this.
And it's okay to put a little garlic in there for your lover, you know.
Oh, yes.
If you both have it, then it doesn't matter.
When in doubt, the answer is always more garlic. More garlic, more garlic, more garlic.
Mm-hmm.
So
you can just put a breath mint on the table.
Exactly. We're going to add a little crushed red pepper inside of it to get a little bit more of the heat and the flavor going. This one's good. I call this the lover's pasta because it is so simple that you can do it for somebody who's significant for you. Any anniversary at the night. I personally use this one when I'm working to try and impress somebody.
Right.
But I also teach this one to my students because it comes together so quickly. It's something that they can make. You can plan ahead. You can cook spaghetti off and hold it for 6 days cold.
Nice.
So strain it out really good, kit it with cold water. It'll refrigerate very nicely for you so you can hold it and cook with it all week long. And that's the same for any hard pasta.
That's good.
So
That's good.
now that we have
Is
this all
there a trick to
coming
when you
together,
do it and you have it cold in the fridge or something, like to way to like refresh it? Do you just throw it in the skillet?
we throw it in right here into this pot of hot water, and it takes about a minute for it to get all nice and hot and ready to go. And then you toss it right into your pot, and you can smell all the beautiful goodness coming right off.
Oh my
of
goodness, it
this.
smells amazing in here.
A little
That's for
strong,
sure.
a little going. Now we're going to add just a little bit of lime juice. And I just take a half a lime, juice it right into my pot, give it a little bit of acidity.
Yummy.
And then we're going to go right to our pasta, into our hot water, let it get hot. And we're going to throw a little bit of chopped parsley right into it. This is fresh parsley. It's really cheap, but it adds a very pretty color to it. And you can garnish right at the top.
Nice.
So give it a little shake. Our pasta's hot. Our pan's ready. Right into our pan. And let it just sit and get nice and ooey gooey warm together. Little flips.
Nice mixture of flavors there. Perfect.
Nice.
You know, and it's
beautiful.
lovers pasta. We've got a specific holiday that's coming up for lovers.
Exactly.
You know, a great time that you can make this for your loved one, and you've got plenty of time to try it a few times. To
Oh,
make sure
yes.
you perfect it just right.
This
like,
is-
ooh, I want to add more garlic next time, or maybe just a tad
Little less.
fewer jalapenos.
Well, the crushed red pepper is going to bring out the heat for you.
Yeah.
The jalapenos are for a little bit of color, a little bit of crunch. We don't want to cook everything down to where it turns into mush, but we do want to get the color and move everything around. Now it's all done.
Okay.
We're going to take it. We're going to take our plate, and I'm going to set this plate at an angle for you.
Nice. Actually,
Right.
let's move our pot over here so we get it out of the way.
I'll move that.
Yeah, there we go.
And then just right onto your beautiful plate.
Beautiful. Oh, wow.
And you can give it a little bit of a move around, however you want.
What a tasty looking dish. Probably gonna burn my mouth trying this, but.
A little bit of green parsley over the top, and then some fresh shaved Parmesan on top.
Of course, if you want to recap how to make this dish, all you have to do is go to our website a little bit after the show here, komnewsnow.com, and you can find this segment and something that we're going to be making on Fox 14 here in a little bit as well. You want to give us a teaser what to expect up in our next show?
We're gonna make a Midwest a Midwest Alfredo. You can add fried chicken to it, you can add grilled chicken to it, you can add anything you want to it. Comes out very beautifully.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing.
Isn't that great?
That is good. Perfect
Simple,
amount of
quick. Anybody can make this, and if you plan ahead just a little bit on, say, like a Sunday, You can have this ready to go in just a couple of minutes. It takes no time at all.
And the pasta tastes like you just boiled it right there. So
Exactly.
that's perfect. That is excellent. Again, you can find this on our website at komnewsnow.com. And stick around because on KOAM Morning News on Fox 14, we're going to be making that Midwest pasta.
Yes, we are.
Looking forward to that.
Enjoy. Thank you very much.
All right, we'll be right back.